Hello, Kimera Hashiv An-diugh. An-diugh, hami ag ithe. Hami ag ithe, Rola Isbean Glasraich. Ha glasrachach, agus hami agol, Coca-Cola Zero, no Diet Coke. Hami ag ithe, Rola Isbean Glasraich, agus ha glasrachach, agus hami agol, Coca-Cola, no Diet Coke. Right, let me just explain what that means. Okay, so hami ag ithe, I am eating. I'm eating. You make the sound, it's like saying ithe, but it's got a very soft ch. So ithe, it's not exactly ch, it's ithe. It's got a kind of a sound in there in the middle, ithe, ithe. So I'm eating Rola Isbean Glasraich, a vegetarian sausage roll. Well, it's actually vegan. Rolla, roll, and then Isbean Glasraich. Isbean is sausage and Glasraich is vegetable. So you could say like vegetable sausage roll. And then I said, ha glasrachach, it's vegetarian, glasrachach. And for the drink, I said, hami agol, Coca-Cola Zero, no Diet Coke. No means or. So Coca-Cola Zero or Diet Coke, you can call it if you want. Be careful with no, because it sounds like no. But Diet Coke, no. Coca-Cola Zero means Diet Coke or Coca-Cola Zero. So, very nice, very nice. So, one more time. Hami ag ithe, Rola Isbean Glasraich. Ha glasrachach, agus hami agol, Coca-Cola Zero, no Diet Coke. To say something is tasty, we can say blasta, ha blasta. Shiri and Drazda.